we just come through Kiwara and I think it's Eggleston, which are two phenomenal stages on the Silver Fern Rally 2024. This is only day one, leg one, but it was like going over some Dakar tracks because there were fords, there were boulders. We've actually cut a big hole in the sump guard by one of the boulders it went through. Car took an enormous amount of punishment, and then the Eggleston stage was super fast. So the Magna Motorsport team are checking everything out, and especially the right rear, a little bit of knocking underneath there, and the front and boulders, a good check, fill up and everything's looking good. We're going to play the long game because this is an endurance run. Try and keep it going. It's been tremendous, Ben, to be very honest, because we've had a mix of really fast stages, very tricky stages up over the pass. Probably my favourite, I think, was the one that went up over the pass with all the deep ruts. It was very narrow, and then we had to go across two rivers or fords and a lot of big rocks in there. Duncan and I were getting on well. The notes started to go well, so tyres were great. We're using the hard Pirellis. We're just on the final service of the day, so